Today we're taking a look at the rain saver gutter. It's a bucket and everything that you want comes in this kit. It's got a handle on the top and it would hang like so. It's got a hole here. That hole's used to get the water out of it. Now let me show you what's also in this kit. Take the lid off. First thing we've got is a nice blue filter mesh. That's going to stop all the leaves and debris coming through. So put that to one side. Now inside they give you a nice little sponge that you can use to wipe down your awning. There's the tap fittings that I mentioned about, so that screws onto one side. You connect that into the bucket and then you've got that to snap on, and you just need to supply your own hose to be able to do that. There's a bungee cord and a bit of Velcro. Now this Velcro you can cut to whatever length you like, but that's what you use to hang the bucket. Of course, some great instructions, but this is what I really want to show you. This is the smarts of it. Now this is a 10 set, so depending on how big your awning, you might need more clips or you might not need to use as many as 10. But there it is there. It's a UV stabilized plastic clip. Now it's very clever in the way that it's been formed and made. What you're doing is you're feeding the awning in through around here. And it's this clip that takes what is your normal awning and the fascia and it turns it into a gutter. Here they are positioned along here. So why don't we now take a look at how we've set it up today and how it's collecting water for us. So here we are next to the awning and our rain saver gutter bucket is in position. It's looped over with some Velcro, and the clips that I showed you earlier, these particular wonderful clips that are folded in, they are now around forming the gutter shape. And on the bottom of this one, this has got the fitting at the bottom. So we've connected the fitting up, bit of hose, and in this today we're running that through into a jerry can for us. So it's starting to rain. You can see that the water's falling onto our awning and that's running through and now collecting through into the gutter and into the jerry can. The other thing you could do is with a bit of hose, run that underneath and gravity feed that around into your tank. So you could fill up your tanks while you're on the go, basically. Now, it may be raining. You could pull over into a camp on the side of the road. Within 5 minutes, you can set this up. The awning's out, the clips are on, you're collecting water. You can be now underneath your awning nice and dry because you're not getting all that water that you would normally get running around and falling back inside your camp. So there it is, Mother Nature. With Rain Saver Gutter, you can collect water too when out on the road.